we are proud to present to you our state-of-the-art cooling department. We have developed industry-first processes, which is used to repair and rebuild cooling units to maximum performance levels. With an intrinsic understanding of each element of the cooling units, our department repair and rebuild cooling units to new.